looking to make a run. Being fully human, that'd be nice. We're meant to push ourselves. How about a little more than a little movement? It's nature's antidepressant. Like an intense work or workout. I like to lift some weights or swim in the lake. Or exercise to reduce my cortisol. Cortisol, that is. Enunciate, Hairman. Feel fine all the time. Woohoo! The body be but a chemistry set. It will relieve our stress. Like to get that serotonin rush. Or that anamide. Could be the fix with a little GABA thrown in. And the beta endorphins. Oh, there's nothing like the body's morphine. Oh, you say you want a little intimacy, a little roll in the hay. Jack and Jill went up the hill. Or maybe it was Bob and Ted. Yeah, a little afterglow, followed by a plunge into the lake of fire with a dopamine fix. Yes, we're all just junkies, so why not be au natural? Organic neuroscience is your best friend. Better living through bionic chemistry within. They say stress shortens the telomeres. Food'll do it too. Physical activity and eating organically can lengthen them, supposedly. Does running to the candy machine count as exercise and movement or a workout? I'm approaching 75 now. That's been one hell of a run. I'm so lazy, I never exercise good judgment. Love you all. See you soon.